नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome all of you in today's practical session about miasmatic diagnosis in symptoms of eye. In this session, we understand what symptom of SORA, what symptom of psychosis and what symptom of syphilis in relation with the eye disease. So, general and clinicals, psoric eyes have a great intolerance of daylight and sunlight. Inflammations are of a functional nature. This is very necessary to understand disease at organ level, how we distinguish which miasm is present in this disease condition. So, SORA, there is only functional disturbances, intolerance of day and sunlight. Characteristics: the vision may be blurred and letters may run together whilst reading, the visualization of various colors and a zigzag appearance around object. So the characteristic is the vision may be blurred, धुंधला उसको दिखता है vision, and letters may run together whilst reading, the visualization of various colors and a zigzag appearance around objects. Now the sensation is dryness, burning and itching. So in SORA miasm there is dryness, burning and itching. All these are present almost in every diseased condition where it is applicable. So eyes feels dry, burning and itching with desire to constant rub, and the sensation of sand like particles in the eyes, and there may be red in appearance. So in eyes dry, red, itching, burning, sand like particle sensation and desire to constant rub. So this is the sensation. Now the modality part is the aggravation during daytime, amelioration by external warmth, intolerance of day and sunlight. So in this session, any disease condition related to eye, if we find in a person burning, itching and dryness, like on the part of the skin, some itching eruption, and there is burning, itching, dryness, so we can easily find out the SORA miasm. So dryness, why eyes so dry, why perspiration is scanty? Because discharges are scanty. In last lecture we discussed about the criteria, keyword of the SORA. The keyword of SORA is the scantiness, lack, absence of, hypo condition. So discharges are become very low. So it leads into the dryness of the eyes. Thank you.